Good morning, everyone. So let's see the back exercise PDF. The increase in the number of factories and vehicles result in carbon dioxide. Earth atmosphere is blanket of gases. Which of the following goes into the greenhouse? Is not a greenhouse gas, oxygen. Change in the climate is leading to all the factors. Trees help to clean the air. Matching 5, 4, 3, 1, 2. Coming to the short question, what is greenhouse? Page number 134. The greenhouse, as it is marked, these gases like carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, methane and water vapor. ठीक है, these इस यहाँ तक आपको मार्क करना है. This is known as these gases does not allow to escape into the sky. They warm the earth. These gases are called greenhouse gases. Gases तक आपको मार्क करना है, ठीक है. Now what is greenhouse and what are the greenhouse gases? So the greenhouse is known as the atmosphere. It is written, a greenhouse is a glass house where we grow the plant, especially during the winters. ठीक है, तो C2 होगा a greenhouse. Above the paragraph greenhouse gases, a greenhouse see this one. A greenhouse is a glass house where we grow plants especially during winters. ये था सेकेंड वाला. और थर्ड वाले में आपको ये लिखना है जहाँ पे मैंने C2 लिखा. These gases are carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, methane, water are the greenhouses gases. ठीक है. Coming to the next, how are certain environment monuments are getting affected by pollution? Page number 136. The monuments are getting affected as because of the chemical given out by the factories around it. ठीक है. Last is what is global warming, page number 135. See, it is marked greenhouse gases in the atmosphere trap the heat of the sun and there's a rise in temperature on the earth. This is called the global warming. Up, coming to the long question, what is pollution, how it is prevented? So pollution, it is marked, is the spoiling of the land से लेके causes diseases. How it can be controlled? Just the steps जो है वो आपके नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में ऑलरेडी कवर्ड है. ठीक है. सी फॉर द 20 मार्क्स टेस्ट ओनली ये जो 2 चैप्टर्स हमने अभी करे हैं वो करने हैं. उनकी सिर्फ बैक एक्सरसाइज करनी है और रिवीजन शीट करना. ओके, ओनली द बैक एक्सरसाइज एंड द रिवीजन शीट विच आई विल ऐड. ओके, now how the government prevent, it is given on the same page. just pollution के नीचे steps to control the pollution. ठीक है. आखिरी है, लास्ट है, हाउ रबर कैन बी recycle and how metals can be recycled. Metals can be recycled given है क्राफ्टमैन भाई and for decoration D4. उसके जस्ट ऊपर मेटल के थर्ड क्वेश्चन है द टायर्स कैन बी रिसाइकल टू मेक द प्ले ग्राउंड से लेके डेयरी कवर्स तक. ठीक है. नाउ कमिंग टू द हॉट क्वेश्चन, destruction of rainforest leads to global warming as it increases carbon dioxide, which leads to the global warming. Second one, because because of human pollution is increasing, so ultimately it affects the global warming. It is factory is located near the as it pollutes the air, land and water, which affects the people living over there. तो ये था बैक एक्सरसाइज. काइंडली सॉल्व इट. आई विल सेंड द रिवीजन शीट या तो फ्राइडे के वाले टर्न पे. ठीक है, वही रिवीजन शीट के बेसिस पे पेपर आएगा, पैटर्न आएगा. ओनली बैक एक्सरसाइज पढ़नी है इन 2 चैप्टर्स की. दैट्स ऑल. थैंक यू.